Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to use South African accent voiceover on Pictory. So let's get started. To kick things off, make sure you are logged in into your Pictory account. Head over to the My Projects section and open up the project where you are excited to infuse a touch of that South African flavor. Now, focus your attention on the menu bar to the left. Look for the audio option. That's your gateway to a world of auditory possibilities. Give it a click. Next up, let's explore the voiceover tab. Tap on it and take a moment to scroll down. Keep your eyes peeled for the captivating English South African. Here's where the real magic happens. Immerse yourself in the delightful tones of a South African female accent. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, your project is now infused with the richness of a South African accent. Whether you are narrating a wildlife documentary or sharing a traditional recipe, this feature brings the spirit of South Africa to your audience. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.